These types of AI videos are going viral nowadays. Here's an easy way to create them completely free. First, open Pinterest and search for the image you want to recreate. Download the image. Next, open ChatGPT. Go to Apps and search for Restoration Time-Lapse. Upload your image and type Start. It will automatically generate prompts for both images and videos. Once your prompts are ready, open Google Flow and create a new project. Then simply paste the image prompts one by one. Now comes the main part, video generation. Copy the video prompts, select the first generated image, and paste the prompt. Repeat the same process for the rest of the images. And that's it. Your AI video will be created in just a few simple steps. Here's the video we created. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. And comment down what type of tutorial you want to see next.